In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your finances using Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup that shows where your money goes, helps you plan ahead, and keeps everything in one tidy place. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page. You can use the plus button in the sidebar or the new page option inside your workspace. Give the page a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Something like Personal Finances or Budget Hub works well. Leaving the page blank for now is fine, because we're going to build it using a ready-made template. At the bottom of the new page, look for the Templates option and click it. Templates save time by giving you pre-built databases, properties, and views. Instead of reinventing the wheel, you'll start with a structure that already knows how to track income, expenses, and balances. In the Templates area, head into the main Templates section. This opens a gallery of options curated for different use cases. Finance templates live here alongside project trackers and habit systems, but we'll narrow it down next. Use the search bar and type finances. This filters the gallery to budgeting and personal finance setups. You'll see different styles. Some are minimal and lightweight, others are feature-rich with multiple views like monthly dashboards and category breakdowns. Searching this way helps you avoid digging around manually. Browse the results and choose a free template that fits your style. Preview the layout to make sure it includes the essentials you want, like an expenses database with date, amount, category, and notes, and ideally a summary view for monthly totals. If you're new to Notion, pick something straightforward. You can always expand later. Also check that it uses the currency and terminology you prefer to reduce the amount of editing you'll need. When you've found the one you like, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Notion will insert the template into your new page, complete with databases, sample entries, and any dashboards included by the creator. Give it a moment to load, especially if it includes multiple linked views. Now customize the finances template so it reflects your real life. Rename the page, update the default currency, and adjust categories to match how you actually spend. Think groceries, rent, transport, subscriptions, and savings. Tidy up properties you don't need and add any that matter to you, like payment method or tags. Replace example entries with a few real transactions to test the formulas and summaries. If the template includes monthly or weekly views, set their filters to the current period. Keep changes incremental. Avoid deleting core formula fields until you're comfortable. That's it. You've created a finance hub, added a template, and tailored it to your needs. Revisit it regularly, record new expenses as they happen, and let the views do the heavy lifting.